are all fine, and you?
Oh, Doris, she went out. Yeah, she went to collect something her brother sent to her. No. She will soon be back. Ah, she will be fine, no problem. You'll be coming tomorrow? With your son? And husband? Oh, really? That would be great. Tomorrow is fine. Tomorrow will be fine. Yeah, His Majesty is fine. He's at home also. He will hear. It's okay, no problem. Don't worry, Doris will be fine. She is fine. It's okay. And you take good care of yourself too.
Who was that?
Your Majesty, we are here. His matter, my friend.
The one I told you that the son returned from America.
Oh, really?
Yes. She sends her regard. Yeah. She said I should tell you that they will be coming tomorrow.
Oh, really?
And she will be coming with her husband, her son, and her people for Doris' introduction.
That's good. I will be waiting, but have you discussed with Doris? You know the type of daughter we have. To avoid another embarrassment.
Your Majesty, you shouldn't disturb yourself about that. It has been taken care of. There will be no such thing.
That's all right. I have all eyes, all ears. I'll be waiting.
It's a good news.
Hey, Mama. Anyway, earlier, you wanted to tell me something, but I was busy, I couldn't listen. Now I'm ready to listen. What was it you wanted to tell me?
Ujunwa,
Mama?
I will only tell you if you will understand.
Mama, what was there not to understand? If it is interesting, then definitely I will understand it.
Okay. Like I was saying before, many years ago, before I met your father.
Mama, are you sure this story will be interesting? Because this one you started with many years ago before you met my father. That's archaic. Sorry, continue.
Like I was saying, before I met your father, I was in love with one guy. I so loved him, that anybody that comes to ask for my hand in marriage, I turn them down because of the love I have for that man. But do you know what he did? He left me for another woman.
Mama, I give you breakfast.
Hey, I'm very happy you gave it a name. Not only breakfast, I ate dinner. Why are you laughing? Would you?
Sorry, Mama, continue.
Well, there was nothing I could do. I almost committed suicide.
Oh.
Until one of my friends introduced me to your father. That's how we started. Do you know when I first saw your father, I hated him. Yes, with passion. I did not have single atom of love for him. No. I don't even want to see him. But gradually, we became very close. And I loved him so much before he passed on.
Wait, Mama. What you're trying to tell me right now is that you love Papa till he died.
Everybody in the village is aware of it.
Hey.
But I love your father so much.
And us, the children, also know that you loved our father, even without money.
Uju?
Mama?
What sort of question is that?
No, I'm just saying because, from the little memory I have of the past, I can still remember very clearly what used to happen between you and Papa. Simply because he was not buoyant enough to foot the bills in this house. But Not to worry, Mama. I'm not trying to resurrect the past. I'm just saying, the past is in the past. Let it remain in the past. So you mean you really loved our father like that till he died?
But you all know I loved him so much. You're all aware of it.
Okay, that's fine. Then, Mama, I really enjoyed this story because it was really interesting, romantic, everything. But then again, I want to find out, what is the moral of this story? Why exactly are you telling me this story?
Exactly. I like that question. Do you know why?
No, I'm waiting, Mama.
Love is not everything. Because every time you keep on saying how you love Ejike, how you love Ejike. Mbano, I want you to love Obina. Yes. Love Obina. As you people grow together, the love will become strong. Added with the money attached to it. So I want to ask you, what is love without money?
Now you have finally landed, Mama. I was waiting. Because I was wondering where this story from 1968 came out from. You had to go round, rigmarole, ran all the corners, went through all the corners, until you landed the particular point you wanted to, Obina. Mama, why does every conversation in this house end with Obina? When will you learn to stop talking about him, Mama? All you care about is Obina and money. You don't care about anything else. Anyway, Mama, since you want me to learn new things, I'm actually ready to learn. And that's why you see that every night I try to help myself. I learn things online. But if you want me to learn really fast, Mama, it will do me good if you send me back to school. That way I can learn new things really quickly. You see that Obina? Leave him out of this equation. It will not work. Mama? Okay, Mama.
You want to joke with me, eh?
But Mama, I'm ready to
I don't
learn.
have your time this night.
No, Mama, I was just saying that.
Keep quiet. You want to make jest of me? I don't have
no, Mama, I am ready to learn. Oh.
You don't want to keep quiet. When you're coming, bring that chair.
Yeah.
I don't feel. You don't blame me.
Doris, come back here. Doris, come back here. What is your problem? What is your problem? What has gotten over you?
But I don't have a problem. What is your problem? What is it?
You are asking me what is it? What was the meaning of that rubbish you displayed downstairs? Before our own visitors. Doris, are you insane? Have you lost it?
Mother, what is there for you not to understand? I don't want to get married. I don't want to marry him. I don't want to marry. I don't want to marry.
You just shut up!
I don't want to make a mistake.
Which mistake? Shut it! I'm talking and you are sitting down there talking before me. You see this your brain? It needs a reset. Because no normal human being will act the way you are acting. Tell me, which girl in her right senses will keep on rejecting suitors that have been coming to her, including this rich, handsome, cute man that came back from America? Not only that, he came from a well-to-do, responsible and respectable family. Anyways, I don't have to talk much. Doris, you have to comport yourself now and go downstairs and greet them properly. I give you about 5 minutes to do that.
Mother, I'm not going anywhere. When they are done staying, they leave.
Hello? Hello, Loma. Excuse me, please keep your greetings to yourself. What was the meaning of that? How could you do this to me? Right now, I am very, very paranoid. I'm very upset at you. You really disappointed me. I said I don't want to hear anything. Just allow me to say my mind. How could you take me to that man? A worthless man that doesn't know his work. He duped me of my hard-earned money, 3 million naira. I told you at the initial time that I don't want to see any native doctor. You insisted and told me that he is the only one that has a solution to my daughter's problem. Now he has done it. Instead of the problem to be solved, it got worse. Please tell your customer Udengu or whatever you call him, let him keep my money because I am going to see him and he must bring that money to me. Anyhow, 3 million naira is not 1 naira and I'm not going to spare him. No matter what, drop this message to him. Send a message to him, go to him, anyhow you want to send it across to him, do it. But let him keep my money because I must meet him. Nonsense. Rubbish. Harant nonsense. What is the meaning of it?
My dear, what is bothering you? You've been in this position for a while now. I mean, why are you this moody? What is it that is bothering you? Tell me.
You are asking me, right? Your Majesty, why is it that our daughter's problem doesn't concern you? It doesn't touch you. It doesn't bother you. I'll be going from one place to the other, trying to seek for a solution to the problem. Yet, the man of the house does nothing about it. Let me ask you this question. Is Doris not your daughter? Is she only my own daughter? Why are you leaving all her problems to me?
But I told you what she told me the day I spoke with her. That someone is having spiritual problem doesn't need this type of approach you are toying now. Take her to any native doctor, to any spiritual church, to any pastor, any man of God. They will tell you that her consent is required. Oh yes. So stop disturbing yourself. Things will normalize
Your
when
Majesty,
the time comes.
what point are you making now?
Doris said we should let her be. Now let me ask you this. Apart from this marriage, rejecting suitors and all this, is she giving us any other problem? Tell me. Stop worrying yourself over nothing, my dear.
Your Majesty, did you call a problem as big as this nothing? Okay, I have a promise for you. You see, this is her problem. No matter the amount it will cost me, I will see to the end, and I must solve it.
Oh, well. The onus lies on you. Take your decision and suit yourselves.
Good day, Pastor.
Yeah, good day. How are you?
I'm fine, Pastor.
You don't need to say anything. Let me just go straight to the point. I know why you came here. You came here because you want to know why your daughter is rejecting the suitors that are coming for her hand in marriage.
Yes, Pastor, you are right. How did you find out?
You see, woman, I'm so busy. I'm so busy in the spirit right now that I don't want to talk to anybody till midday. But just that the spirit that revealed this to me said I must talk to you.
Thank God. But Pastor, what do I do about it? Because I don't want my daughter to continue rejecting suitors.
Woman, you will do nothing. Just Let her work with her spirit.
Pastor and man of God, honestly, you are confusing me here. I don't understand what you mean by I should allow her to be with her spirit. How? So I should allow her to continue rejecting suitors at her age?
You see, your daughter has an assignment. A very serious one. And that assignment she must do before she can get married. Just let her be. Thank you. I think I'm done with you. Please.
Ike, this one you're not looking friendly at all. What's going on?
I'm worried.
Why?
This marriage problem, obviously. Because I don't understand you, I don't understand Mama. For a couple of days now, it's been marriage this, marriage that, and it's tearing this family apart. Things wasn't like this before. It was a loving, kind, respectful, everything to talk about. The family was beautiful for me. So what's happening? Please, I would love for it to stop. Let the war end. I want a peaceful family. A loving and cheerful family. That's what I want.
Ike, you are not a stranger in this house. Neither are you a visitor. Ever since Papa died, you are now the man of this house. Tell me, what do you suggest I do for this problem to come to an end?
Marry Obina. Yes. Just marry Obina. Look at the condition of this house. There's no money. Obina is the holy hope for this family. Come to think of it, I have Wayek and Neko to register. And there is deadline already. And come to think of it, you and Mama can't afford it. And the registration is coming to an end soon. So what do I do? There's no hope. You just get married to Obina. I think for the sake of Mama.
If I understand you correctly, what you're saying is yourself and Mama wants me to marry Obina, to sacrifice my love for AGK and marry Obina simply because you need to register for WAEC and NECO. And Mama needs someone who will give her money at will whenever she needs it. I mean, you both do not care about me, how I am going to feel in the marriage. What would happen to me if he will be a kind person to me, if the family will accept me, if I would ever love him. You don't care. All you care about is me sacrificing my life for the family to be okay. Ike, if Mama was the one telling me this, I would understand because that's Mama. That's her personality. But you? I can't believe this.
I'm sorry. You know, I'm sorry. I'm just worried about my registration, that's all. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to upset you. I'm sorry.
Well, now that you've told me about your WAEC and NECO registration, I will see what I can do about it.
Thank you.
No, don't thank me yet. I only said I will see what I can do about it. I didn't tell you that I have the money to give you today.
It's still the same thing. Don't marry Obina again. Thank you.
My daughter, please. I am sorry. for the way I talked to you a few days ago. I am sorry. I spoke to you that way because I was highly angry at you. I was upset at you. The way you keep on disgracing us before our visitors. You did it not once, not twice. But I've come to realize that there is no smoke without fire. That you were not doing it intentionally. That is why I'm here, to beg you, as someone, please, forgive your mother, and I promise I will not do it again.
Mom, are you not my mother again? But you know I won't be angry at you for too long. I forgive you.
Thank you, my daughter.
You're welcome.
Thank you. There is something else I want to ask you.
Okay.
Please don't be angry. You know, you always say that something is stopping you from getting married, that there is one thing you need to do, that God asked you to do before you can get married. Will you mind explaining to your mother the actual thing you need to do before getting married?
Mom, to be frank with you, I don't know what that thing is. But this spirit is so strong that it's controlling me. It keeps telling me, you don't have to get married now. You have something you have to do before getting married. If you get married now, somebody has something big to lose. What will I gain if the person loses that thing? Because of marriage. I can marry anytime.
Ikewa. My dear, you are getting me more confused. Do you know that the more I try to understand you, the more confused I become? Please, Mom, talk to your mother. What is the problem? Explain to me. Let me know how to help.
Mom, I don't have a problem. I just told you what the problem is. Personally, I don't have a problem. Please, can I be left alone now? Thank you. Uncle, thank God I met you. I was actually coming to your house, Uncle. Please, I came to plead with you. Can you help us with some money to register Ikemefuna for his wife and NECO examinations? The deadline is around the corner, but we do not have the money. Yes, Uncle.
But all these stories you just told me, it's not my concern because I am not his teacher. I don't work in WAEC office.
I understand, Uncle. What I'm trying to say is that please give us the money. I mean, lend us the money. We'll pay you back. I will personally pay you back. I promise, Uncle.
Pay me back?
Yes, Uncle.
Okay, how much is the money?
It's around...
No. I don't have such money. To start with, it's your mother that's supposed to discuss about money matters with me and not you.
Uncle, I and my mother, we are the same thing. Besides, I told her before I started coming here, she's aware that I'm coming to ask you for the money.
Okay. I will do something, but it's not now.
Uncle, but the deadline is just around the corner, please.
Deadline is around the corner. You see, I don't have that money now. You see, what I'm trying to figure out is this. Can you just wait so that my harvest, my yam in the farm will be ready? Just 3 months time. Then I will provide you with the money.
3 months, Uncle?
Correct.
Uncle, by 3 months, the examination is even over. Uncle, please, we need this money now, please.
Then you go somewhere else and look for the money. I'm not Central Bank where you can run and collect money at will.
Uncle, this thing you're doing is not fair. I know you have the money. I overheard you on the phone speaking to someone yesterday. Come on, the person called you to thank you for the money you had lent him. 280,000 naira. Yes, you had received the alert and the person called you to ask if you received the alert. You said, yes, uncle. That money is in your bank account. Can't you just give us 75,000 naira from it? What is so big? Why are you doing this, uncle? Why is there anytime we ask you for money, you always look for an excuse not to give us money? This is not fair.
And so, now you've turned to my accounting officer, monitoring my account to know when money comes in and when money goes out. Okay? Hey, no. I don't have such money and I cannot give it to you. Simple. By the way, your mother told me that a rich man came to you asking for your hand in marriage. But you said no. You went and chose that poor keke mechanic. Eh?
Uncle.
Yes?
Is that the reason you have refused to give me this money for Ikemefuna?
Then accept the man and then collect the money from him and give to your brother.
Person when no get money, no get to say at all. If onyene wele go na fu, no lilim neo.
What exactly is the problem? Since you came here, you have been quiet. Tell me what the problem is. No. Can you tell me what the problem is? I might be of help to you. What is the problem? Are you thinking about that boy, Obina?
Obina? Ha! Please. I don't even remember such a person exists.
Then what is it?
I'm worried.
Worried about what? I might be of help. I've been asking you. Tell me what the problem is. You're quiet. Why?
The thing is, it's about my brother. Yes.
What about your brother? Is he all right?
Sort of. It's time for him to write his WAEC and NECO examination. But the problem is, we don't have money to register him, and we don't even have hope of getting the money. I don't know what else to do. I'm just confused and tired.
Is that the only problem?
Yes, is that not enough?
How much is the money?
For the both exams, 75,000 naira.
I have something to tell you.
What?
I don't like the idea of you hawking oranges on the road. So I decided to raise some money for you to start up a business. But it's looking like we're going to give part of that money to your brother to write his exams.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I don't like to see you worried.
Thank you.
When I can be of help to you.
What would I have done without you? Thank you.
Let me get my ATM. Just give me some time, okay?
Okay.
So what did the pastor say was wrong with our daughter?
He didn't say anything.
What do you mean he didn't say anything? I don't understand.
Honestly, that man is a real man of God. Do you know that immediately I walked into his office, he started telling me the reason I came. And believe me, he said it accurately.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So?
He said that we should let our daughter be. That God wants to use her to bless someone. Want to use her to do something in someone's life. Then after that, she will get married.
Oh. Which means she doesn't belong to any of those demons we mentioned. Those Mami Water Spirit and Obanje of a thing.
God forbid. Actually, I'm suspecting something. I think she might be a seer. Someone that sees tomorrow, that can see tomorrow.
That's good. That's good to hear.
You're here.
Yes, I was about making a call. Where are you carrying a bag to?
Eh?
Where are you going to with that bag? Say eh?
Okay, I'm going to a construction site, me and my friend. I want to go and carry block to see if I can raise money for my wife and Neko. You know, there is no hope, so I don't have to sit at home all the time. Let me go and hustle.
Kim, are you okay?
I'm fine.
You want to go to...
Sorry.
Let me ask you.
Sorry, I didn't tell you on time.
How much did your friend tell you that they pay laborers?
I don't know. I think 20 naira per block or something.
So is it the kobo you want to gather to go and pay for Waek and Neko? Waek and Neko registration will soon be over.
Let me try now, because there's no hope for me. I can't just sit at home doing nothing, so I have to go and carry blocks.
Stay there, I'm coming. Wait for me. Take. Go now and register for your Waek and Neko. Take it.
Who gave you this money?
Ejike gave it to me when I told him of the problem. Take.
Ejike? Give you 75,000 for me.
Go and see. I don't want to hear that you went to any stupid, useless construction site to go and carry block. Do you understand me? Go now and register. Go.
You can thank him first now.
Ikemefuna. Thanking him can wait. Is Ejike running? Go and do the registration before it closes. In fact, give me that. Give me. Let me hear that you went to any construction site. Go now. Or you don't want to write Waek and Neko again?
I want to write.
Now leave.
Mercy, how is all these things you're telling me now my business? How does it affect me?
Come on, Ogechi. Please, I need your advice. I want you to advise me because I don't know what to do.
Advice on what exactly? Let me understand. Mercy, upon all the men in this world, you did not see any other man to marry except that Ujunwa man. I'm asking you, Mercy. That Ujunwa said she doesn't want to get married to Obina. Is it enough reason for you to go behind her and get married to Obina? I'm asking you. Mercy, do you know you don't have a single conscience? You don't have a conscience. Now here you are. You need advice from me. I want advice.
Don't be like that now, eh? Ujunwa is in love with Ejike. Ujunwa does not want... Ujunwa don't want Obina. He's in love with Ejike. And they will still get married.
And so? And so what? Come, Mercy, let me even ask you. You have a boyfriend, don't you? And what do you think will be Mezie's reaction if he gets to find out they are planning on getting married to Obina? What do you think will happen?
Who be that? Who's that?
Mezie, of course.
Who is Mezie?
He is your boyfriend. Is he not your boyfriend?
I don't understand. Is Mezie a thing or a place or animal? Who is he? Who is that? If we are talking about the living, you should not be talking about the dead. Please. Oh, I don't like all this. I came here for you to advise me. I hear talking about the dead.
Cheluo, Mezie has now become a dead man. He has become a dead person because we are talking about Obina. Because you are in stupid love with Obina. Mercy. Mercy, do you know you don't have sense? See, my hands are off in this decision you are about to take. I am not in support of it, Mercy. If anything goes wrong, don't say I did not warn you. What do you think will be people's reaction if they find out? How do you think people are going to react to this?
Do I look like I care what people will say? Ujunwa has already given me go-ahead to go for Obina. Yes. Who am I to say no? When Ujunwa said, you can go ahead and marry Obina, I cannot say no.
Mercy, you already concluded on what to do.
No.
You have decided on what to do.
No.
Okay.
No, Ogechi.
Wait, no. You came to know what I would tell you. You actually want to hear something from me, Akwia?
No.
See, I am warning you for the last time. Don't do this thing you are planning to do. I am not in support of this. If anything comes out of this, don't say I did not warn you, Mercy. Don't say I did not warn you.
Ogechi, I don't understand you. I came here for you to advise me and you just worsening all the situation. Wait, are you jealous? Do you want this Obina? There's something you're not telling me. It's like you are jealous.
My son, you are not happy. What is the problem?
Mama, I have tried everything humanly possible to make your daughter see how much I feel about her, but all to no avail. I think your daughter is madly in love with that keke mechanic, that wretched boy, that fool, that idiot. And Mama, something inside me is telling me that that guy is using charm on your daughter. Yes. Because I don't see any girl in her rightful senses. We see a complete guy like me, a handsome rich guy like me, well-doing guy like me, and decide to follow a keke wretched roadside mechanic. Mama, it's not proper now. The man fucheba chozo. It's not possible. Something is behind it. Yes.
You have said it all. You are very correct. I think that boy has succeeded in charming my daughter. Because Ujunwa, for who I know, will not behave like this. All in the name of love? Love without money? Mba.
Mama, now you see the angle I'm coming from. Yes, no smoke without fire. Now you see the angle I'm coming from. But Mama, I have something in mind to do.
What do you want to do?
Mama, you know that boy's problem is poverty. I think I can handle it. Yes, I can handle it.
Mama, are you home?
Oh, yeah.
Is anybody home? Oh, good day.
Mercy.
Ma. Mama, you sent for me.
Yes, I sent for you. How is your mother?
She's fine.
You see what your friend is doing, Akwia? No, I'm asking you. You see? I have asked Ujunwa to marry the person that will make her life better. You see, Mumba, she will not. She's not going after that wretch, that useless keke mechanic. That's what she wants. So I'm not asking you, what did you tell her? What sort of advice have you given to your friend?
Mama, I'm aware of it. Honestly, I have been talking to her. She says that over her dead body will she marry Obina. I even went ahead telling her the benefit of marrying Obina. That Obina will make this family rich. Obina will lift this family up. But she said no. That she does not love Obina. That she loves AGK. That AGK is the love of her life. Mama, I don't know what to say again. I don't know what. I've been talking to her. And at this point, I can't talk to her again, no. Because right now we're having issues over this same matter. Yes, Ujunwa is having issues with me because I'm telling her to marry Obina. So I don't want to talk to her again. I just suggest we should just let her be.
I see.
Let's just let her be. Nobody knows tomorrow, Mama.
It will not happen. Never. It will never happen. Don't just go there. Don't just go. I gave birth to her. It is what I said she should do that she will do. You have tried, my dear. You can go. Greet your mother for me.
Thank you, Mama. But Mama.
No, don't worry. Just go. I will deal with Ujunwa. I gave birth to her. I will grind her. She must.
What was that?
Where are you coming from?
That's not my question, Mama. What was that?
And my question is, where are you coming from?
AGK shop, Mama.
Good. AGK what?
The mechanic guy.
What did you go there to do?
I went to thank him. He gave me money for my registration. So it's proper I go and thank him.
You are an idiot. You are a goat. So he has not succeeded in bribing you, Akwaya? You are not part of his family, dragging your sister into that wretched family. Okay? And you have the boldness, you have the guts to stand before me and say he gave you money.
Mama, I don't understand you anymore.
I'm not fair.
I don't understand you at all. Mama, you are changed, So I don't have right to go and thank AGK for...
You are a complete fool, that is what I'm saying.
So I shouldn't thank him for supporting my registration. After being at home for a very long time. Crying, looking for help.
You're an idiot.
Mama, if you call it bribe, that is bribe.
You're an idiot.
Yes, ma. So thank you somebody that helped me in paying my wife registration is bribe.
You're an idiot. That's what I'm saying. Oh, you have succeeded. Have you seen it?
Mama, you're changing,
Yeah, have you seen it now?
You're changing gradually.
Hey.
It's not
My friend, leave this place. Come. I'm talking, you're talking, I'm even looking at you. Mama, are you okay? Idiot. Commissioner of bribe. He will come and meet me here, don't worry.
Person when no get money, no get to say at all. If onyene when go na fool, no lili no. Hey, man them di beno, no got them now. Otako dilinjo. Emesio ya de kwamba. Because if onyene go na di, because say he no get to you. People will reject you like you are nobody because you no get the money. Jay, poverty na bastard.
How much do you want? Mr. Man. What are you doing here? I said, how much do you want? What kind of business question is this? Have you seen a big guy like me in this your smelling shop before? Have you perceived the kind of perfume I'm wearing before? Listen, I am not here to play with you. Like I said before, how much do you want?
I can't remember doing any business with you. So what exactly are you paying for?
Don't pretend like you don't know what I'm talking about. You idiot is holding my woman. Yes. You are holding her with your cheap charm. I am here to ask for your price so you can release my woman for me because I cannot bear it anymore.
Point of correction. I am not holding your woman. The woman in question does not love you. So why don't you move on with your life and have some peace of mind?
Listen, I am here so we can rub minds together like man to man. But it's obvious that you don't want to help yourself. And it's very clear. You cannot take care of Ujunwa. You cannot take her out of poverty. I wonder why you want to destroy that small girl. What is your problem? Listen, I will not warn you again. I am giving you last warning. Next time I will be in this your shop, you will not find it funny.
Okay, we shall see.
All right.
Jay, poverty na bastard, yo. Hey, brother, if you find your lego na phone and wow. Hey, yeah. Person when no get money, no get to say at all. If on your lego na phone, no lily no. Hey, man them the beno, no get them.
Ejike!
Mama, good evening. I hope all is well.
Well, all is not well. You are my problem, Ejike. You are my problem. Leave my daughter alone. What is it? What do you want? You have bewitched my daughter. She does not listen to anybody anymore. Not even me, her own mother. Ejike, leave my daughter to marry her God-given husband. Because
Mama, I did not bewitch your daughter. Your daughter and I love each other.
Love will give her. Love kill you there. Love pisses you where you are standing. Hey, Mama, are you okay? What does a wretch like you know about love? What does a wretch? Love without money is useless, baseless, nonsense. Ejike, let me warn you. Let me warn you for the very last time, because if I come here again to warn you, you will not like what I will do to you. You, somebody like you marrying my daughter is a cost to my family. So stay away. Ejike, stay away! I will not come back here to warn you again. If I do, Ejike, if I do, you will not like what will happen to you. I'm not fear.
Person when no get money, no get to say at all. If on when go na food.
Mama, what have I not done? Mama, how else will I prove to your daughter that I meant well for this family? How else will I prove to your daughter that my coming to this family is a blessing to this family? Mama, I don't know what else to do. Yes, do you know that I offered that vagabond, that village urchin, huge amount of money to leave Ujunwa for me? He turned it down. Mama, can you believe that? That village urchin, what I offered to him, in his next word, he cannot have that kind of money. Yet, Mama, he turned my offer down. Mama, right now, it's no time for play anymore. I think the best thing to do, the only option I have right now, is to lock him up in the police station, throw away the key forever. Yes, Mama, look at me. A handsome rich guy. A handsome doing well guy. Coming to this family to remove this family from poverty. That urchin is blocking this family for seeing good things. Mama, it's not like I don't know what to do. But why I'm taking it soft is because I don't want people to start seeing it as if I'm oppressing him. I don't want to show my power. Because I'm not afraid when I sleep with a widow, Mama. I know where the husband is. I know what to do to that urchin. I'm keeping quiet since because I don't want to oppress him. Please. Mama, I am tired. I am not seeing this as fun anymore.
Calm down. Calm down. You have tried your best. You have tried your best. And I have continually assuring you that Ujunwa is your wife. Nobody can go, not even Ejike. Ujunwa herself cannot even go against it.
Says who, Mama? Says who? Mama. Because this Ujunwa that is standing here, we never married this person that is sitting right there.
What?
Yes, Mama, for once in your life, tell him the truth. Stop deceiving him. I don't care what you both have together, because the person I want to marry is AGK, and that is fine now.
Ujunwa, keep quiet.
Mama, don't shut me up. What is it? As for you, young man, let me talk to you calmly and politely for the very first time. My AGK actually told me that you offered him a huge amount of money for him to leave me. But he rejected it. And what does that tell you? It simply means that we do not worship money, just like you and my mother.
Obina, keep quiet!
Mama, don't shut me up. Tell him the truth. Young man, if you know what is good for you, you can say I'm talking to you very calmly. Please, leave my father's compound. Do not come back. She's deceiving you. It will not work. My heart is set on someone else. Not you, definitely. There is no line here. There is no knocking. There is no waiting. Don't wait. It will not work. Mama, stop. Enough. I will not condone this anymore. Enough is enough.
Mama, I've already told you what I'm going to do.
My dear, don't worry. Oh, I'll talk to her. Don't worry. I'm assuring you, and I'll keep assuring you. I'm the mother. I get back to her. She will marry you. No two ways about it.
No problem, Mama.
Thank you very much. Ujunwa.
So what are you trying to say?
What I'm trying to say is that Ujunwa has refused to accept your proposal because she's into blood covenant with AGK. Yes, she can never accept you. You see, you are shocked. I'm telling you this because I know you don't know. Ujunwa is into blood covenant with AGK. There is nothing you will do or say that will make Ujunwa to marry you.
No wonder. I have tried everything I know. I have spent a lot of money, yet nothing is working.
I know you don't know.
Hey, thank God you just saved my time. Oh. So, all right. What do you suggest I do?
It's simple. You're a rich man. You have money. You can go for any woman of your choice. Yes, you can go for any woman of your choice, and you don't need to look far. I'm here for you. I mean, I'm a beautiful girl. I'm available.
You mean your mother told you that? Your mother said she would disown you if you don't tell her your mind. What is wrong with her?
My love, I don't know. She said she was giving me 1 week. 1 week to tell her my decision.
So what's your decision and what do you intend to tell her?
My love, you know I love you so much and I'm willing to do anything for you. But I need you to promise me. Promise me that you will never hurt me or leave me.
Come on, Ujunwa, why are you sounding like this now? I'll never do anything to hurt you. You know me too well. I'll never do anything to hurt you. Okay? You need to stop thinking about that.
Thank you.
Huh?
Thank you. Then please, my love, I need to ask you something. I want you to come with your uncle and some of the elders to come and see my mother. At least declare your intention.
I can do that. It's not a problem. It's not a problem, okay? I can do that. It's alright.
Mama,
Okay.
I want to talk to you.
About what?
My sister Ujunwa.
You came from.
Mama.
You came from.
Mama.
I do not have time to listen to any rubbish this morning. If it is because of Ujunwa, I don't want to listen.
Mama, Ujunwa, my sister, said you have threatened to disown her. And you also said you stopped giving her food in this house. Is that true, Mama?
If it is true, what will you do? No, I'm asking you, are you going to cut off my head if it is true? Yes, it is true. Since she has refused to listen to me, her mother, and marry Obina, I will not give her food. So what will you do?
Mama, so this is the best you can go as a mother? No, talk to me, let me understand. So this is the highest you can go as a mother. So because of Obina, you want to disown your daughter, your only daughter, because of Obina. A man you don't even know his background, his whereabouts, how he made his money. You're only concerned that he's rich, he's able to provide for your needs, and that's all. So what happened to AGK? The man you've been condemning, calling all sorts of names. So what happened to him? The same man you are condemning gave me money to register for my work. The same man has been supporting my sister, making her happy, supporting me and you in this same house. So, Mama, I don't want to say much. Let nothing happen to my sister. That you must give her food. and then stop telling her you are disowning her, this, you are this. It will not happen. So her conjugal right is you providing. That's her right. It's in the law. So you have to provide for her. Ma. Ma. Okay.
You are mad.
It's her conjugal right, Mama.
You are mad. Come and sit down. Come and sit down and begin to talk to your father, idiot. I'm not fair. You try me again. If you don't take your time, I will place you where I place Ujunwa. Idiot. You have the guts to talk to me the way you like. I'm on pump.
Doris, I'm asking you and you're just going. What is your problem? You left this house since morning without telling anyone your whereabouts. I've been trying to reach you and your phone was not connecting. Tell me, where have you been? Where are you coming back from?
Can you be calm? You're talking to your daughter, you're not talking to a stranger. You always harsh on me. Please, can you be polite?
Young lady, that does not answer my question. Where are you coming back from?
Okay, fine. If you must know, I went to see Tessie, my friend. Why do you keep monitoring me? Am I a child? I've told you now I went to see Tessie. Are you fine?
I am not. I will only be fine when you tell me what I need to hear.
What do you mean by what you need to hear? What is it that you want to hear?
Doris, tell me. When will this your hidden prophecy come to manifestation? When will it? Because I don't get it. I don't understand it. For many years we have been waiting and waiting for the manifestation of your holy or hidden prophecy. All to no avail. It is obvious that something is wrong with you. Yes, maybe you have a spiritual problem. Tell me, I am your mother. Let me find a solution to the problem. If it means going to the end of the world, I promise you I will do that in order to untie you and set you free. Because
why do you keep attaching my problem with spiritual problem? No, why do you keep attaching my problem to spiritual problem? Who told you that I have spiritual problem? Mother, for your information, I don't have any spiritual problem. Or do you want to give me one? I don't have a problem.
Doris, you lie! You have a spiritual problem. And you don't want to open up to me, your mother. You don't want to open up to me. Why? Tell me what the problem is so that I can help you. I can find a solution to the problem. Because, I will not just watch you perish. You are my daughter. Not one of my life. Doris, please. What is the problem? What kind of spirit is disturbing you? Tell me.
Mother, I don't have a spiritual problem. Physically, spiritually, I don't have a problem. I don't know what problem you're pushing to me. I don't have it, but please, I just came back. I'm so tired. I had a very stressful day. Can I rest, please?
So you ain't directly asking me out of your room, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
How are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Ujunwa, my uncle and I called you here to discuss something very important with you. You see, for a very long time, we've been watching you and Ejike. To the extent that anywhere your mother sees me, she will embarrass me. Be it on the road, in the market, she will embarrass me. So we have called you to ask you this question. What is really going on? What is happening?
Ujunwa, just like she rightly said, we invited you here to rub minds with you. Because in this relationship we started, you and Ejike, I've never had time to put eyes on it. But the way I'm seeing things now is going in another dimension, which your mother is against it. I don't want in a situation whereby after all these years Ejike suffered for you, you will dump him for another rich man like that. And also hear that there's one rich man coming to ask for your hand in marriage, and your mother accepted him. So, what are you telling us? Where are we?
Papa, Mama, I have heard everything you said. But I want to assure you both of one thing.
Which is?
I love Ejike. He's the one my heart accepts. He's the one I want to spend the rest of my life with. Money is not everything in life. Money is not what makes a marriage. Love is what makes a marriage. And that love is what I have for Ejike. The young man you're talking about, I don't care about him. I have told him severally that I am not interested in his proposal. I don't care if he's the richest man in the whole world. It does not matter to me. Money isn't everything. But then again, Papa, Mama, I want to plead with you both. I am begging.
No. Sit down.
Papa, I'm okay. Whatever insult my mother has meted to you both, can you please endure it for the sake of myself and Ejike? Please. I hope and pray that one day she will come to realize that money isn't everything. And I am truly sorry. I'm truly sorry for the insults she's given to both of you so far. Please, forgive her.
You want to sit up?
Which one?
Stand up. Stand up.
Look, see that. Well, as it is now, I'm short of words. I don't know what to say. There's no problem. I'm watching.
The husband could benefit well. Because the food is sweet. If I like to see full option.
It's your food, you can make food now. You know that what you're saying, you're just talking, you're not making any points.
Friends, I'm not making points. I say Ejike will benefit. Because see, in this jollof rice business, you have grade 1. Ejike will benefit. Because see the way you're handling everything.
What's the meaning of in grade 1 and grade A and grade B?
No, you have grade 1.
And in eating, you have grade Z. I'm very good food.
You know, so you be my sister, so that I will benefit.
Okay. You see why I said that you're just talking, you are not making any points. In your next word, do you even know if you'll be born in this country? Or maybe you just be born in one state like that where you'll be pursuing cow inside the bush.
Go for beauty and pursue cow.
Are you better than the people that are pursuing cow?
No, I'm better than Abuki.
Go and look at yourself in the mirror.
Ujunwa, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm eating, Mama.
You are eating what? My food. How many times have I warned you not to touch my things, nor my food in this house?
I'm not saying I should not eat your food. This is my father's house now.
That's a very stupid question. Give it to me.
Mama.
I will. If you try it. Yeah, come on.
Mama, don't let this.
I should eat it.
Yes, Mama.
You are not going to eat it.
I'm done.
You too, you will not eat it.
I say they claim to be with the one that you love.
I'm tired of everything. How can I be living in my own mother's house? And she keeps starving me. What for? For a man she knows nothing about. Simply because he has little money. Money she doesn't even know how he made. See, if this continues, I will run away.
I disagree with that. You're not going to run away. That's not the right thing to do. Here's what we're going to do. Remember I told you I'm going to raise some money for you. I'll give you part of the money now, but I don't have much. I was saving it for you, but I'll give you part of the money at least, so you can buy some food stuff for yourself. I don't want you depending on your mother to eat food. That's very, very wrong, since she has refuse to give you food to eat. And listen to me. I'm going to make up the money. Remember I told you that we're going to start up a business. Eh? Yes. I want to get a shop for you so you can start selling something. It is important for you to sell something. At least you'll be getting some little income, daily income, for you to feed and, take care of yourself. Eh? Is that okay?
Yes, thank you.
What about that shop you told me about?
I went to see the owner. He told me that whenever I'm ready, I should come.
Okay. So like I said, I'm going to make up the money I have. I'll give it to you so that you can pay the rent. Yes. At least you need to start making some money. Start up a business and start, getting little daily income to take care of yourself. Don't worry. By the grace of God, I'm going to do my business. I'm going to expand it. And when I make a lot of money, I'll bring you in as a wife so I can take good care of you.
I can't wait. I can't wait for that day to come. I'll be the happiest person on earth.
So once you are ready, just let me know. I'll give you the money. Don't worry about your mother. Everything is going to be fine, I promise you. Have you eaten today?
I'm hungry.
Okay, hold on. Let me tell this woman that sells food to give you food. Hold on, I'm coming.
Thank you.
For the sake of love, I've been trampled to the ground like I'm nothing. But this love is so important to me than anything else. So I will fight for this love. No matter what happens, I'm stuck here with you.
Okay. What is it?
Mama, you're back.
Yes. You're squeezing your face as if the heavens want to fall. What's the problem? Okay. You see what happened here between I and Ujunwa the other day? You came here for now. Ujunwa has refused to listen to me, her mother. So whatever happened here is not my fault. She has refused to marry Obina.
Mama, can I ask you a question?
Question? Okay. Go.
Mama, why do you want to tear me and my sister apart? Like, what will you gain? What's your end mission towards it?
Tear you and your sister apart?
Yes.
God forbid. Holy Ghost fire. One woman. It's not possible.
Mama, for the past few weeks now, you have been making things hard for my sister. You are making her go through a lot. She's surviving based on what she can afford. And Mama, it's very bad. It's unfair. Mama, do you realize Ujunwa is your only daughter?
And that is why she should listen to her mother. Ujunwa has brought shame to me. She has refused to obey me by marrying Obina. She should take care of herself.
Mama, are you forgetting or you taught me not to eat alone? Mama, you have limited Ujunwa to so many assets in this house. She can't make good food. She can't. Mama, is enough now. Just because of Obina.
Hey, get me for now. As I speak with you now, I cannot even face my co-wives. Yes, I cannot face my co-wives because of what Ujunwa is doing, refusing to marry Obina. And you're sitting here, you're telling me nothing. I've not even started. I have not started. By the time I will finish with Ujunwa, she will know.
Mama, if this door closed, another one will open. AGK is the new door. AGK has been the door. Let Uju walk into AGK.
You came here for now.
Mama.
You came here for now. Look at me. Ujunwa has to marry Obina. There's no two ways about it. Opportunity comes once. Did you hear me? I'm not fair. If you like, buy it. If you don't like, stay there.
Mama, eat alone. I'm not hungry. Yo, how? What? Where is it done? In this 2025?
Okay, it's nice though. I love it. Wait now. I'm enjoying it. But just on now. Okay, it's nice though. Are you serious? You mean everything you just said to me now, you're being serious? Ha! Ujunwa, you mean your mother said that to you? You mean your mother told you that she will not be giving you food all because you don't want to accept Obina? You don't want to marry Obina?
She has actually made good on her threat. Can you believe that for the past 2 days, I haven't tasted any food in this house? She has made sure not to give me food. She has starved me for 2 whole days.
Hey.
My own mother.
Hey. This is serious, so hey. So you are serious? Hi. But have you told Ejike about it? And what did he say?
I did. He's the one that even gave me little money that I'm managing. Even this Gary we are drinking.
Hi. Ujunwa, can I suggest something to you?
What?
Ujunwa, you know you are my friend and I cannot deceive you. Since your mother don't want to accept Ejike, the man you love, and you don't want the man that your mother wants you to marry, my suggestion, maybe you should run away, go to a far place, leave these 2 men, leave all the whole drama, just go to a far place.
What?
For your peace of mind.
Are you okay?
Look, you are my friend, and your peace of mind is my own concern. Okay? Just go, leave these 2 men,
Can
leave
you
the whole drama.
stop? How can you suggest such a thing? I would not do that. No, stop. Where will I run to?
Anywhere.
What do I do when I get to the place I am running to? How do I start all over again? Besides, if indeed I decide to run away, what will happen to Ejike? How will he cope without me? How will he survive? No, I can't.
I don't understand though. Is Ejike a child? Are you a child? Are you not just living for some days? He will be fine. Yes, I just want your peace of mind. You just need to clear your head.
No.
And then you just 2 men.
No! Let me ask you a question. Have you ever been in love?
Of course I have. Countless times.
No, you haven't. Because if you have, you will not sit here suggesting that I run away from my own father's house.
Ujunwa, trust me, I have been in love. And I think you just need to leave these 2 men. Go far away for your peace of mind.
No, if you want to eat, just eat, please. No, I will not do it. I'm sorry. Okay?
What's going on here?
Good afternoon, Mama.
Welcome, Mama.
Good afternoon.
Welcome.
Ujunwa.
Mama.
What are you doing with my Gary?
Huh? No, Mama, it's not yours. I bought the... Mama, look at it. I bought it with my money, Mama. It's not yours, Mama.
You bought this Gary with your money?
Yes.
How many times have I warned you not to touch my food in this house?
Mama, this is not your food. I bought it with my money.
Shut your dirty mouth! You're talking. Are you mad? Try it again, and you see what I will do to you. No fear. You bought it with your money. Idiot.
Hey. Ujunwa, you see what I was trying to talk to you about? Did you just see what your mother just did? Did you see what your mother did? Ujunwa, please, for your peace of mind, just go away, look for a place to go, please. Please,
No,
please.
this is my father's compound. I will not leave my father's house.
Uncle, you said you wanted to tell me something. I've been sitting down here. You're not saying anything.
Amejike.
Uncle.
I want to tell you a very important thing concerning that woman.
Uncle, which woman?
Amuche. Ujunwa's mother.
And what about her?
I had a very bad dream concerning her about you last night.
What was the dream about?
Well, I don't want to go into all that by narrating what happened. But all I'm saying is that you should end up whatever relationship you have with that girl. End up whatever relationship you have with that girl. I'm no longer comfortable with it. I mean, Ujunwa, you have to end it up.
Uncle, I don't understand you. You want me to end a relationship, a happy relationship, but you're not telling me the reason. You're not saying anything.
But since you insist, I will tell you. I saw Amuche in my dream taking you to court because of her daughter Ujunwa. Now let me ask you, if such thing happens, where will you get money to hire a lawyer that will defend you in court?
Uncle, I don't understand. You had a dream that Ujunwa's mother took me to court because I'm in love with her daughter. Uncle, you only had a dream. It's not reality. Besides, why must she take me to court because I love her daughter?
Exactly the question I'm asking myself. Why will she take you to court because of her daughter? Because of her daughter, why will she take you to court? Ejike, end up whatever relationship you have with that girl, Ujunwa. I am no longer comfortable with that.
Uncle, I've heard you. But the truth is, Ujunwa and I love each other so much. And we're going to get married very soon. And if you must know, even if the heaven falls down, it will never happen. And I'm ready to go to jail for her.
Huh? Ejike.
Uncle.
You will go to jail because of Ujunwa.
I will go to jail for Ujunwa. I know she will do the same for me.
Now you listen to me. If you ever try that nonsense and anything happens to you, or maybe you die on top of that along the line, I will make sure I ask the youth of this village to throw your body inside the evil forest. And I'll make sure there will be no burial for you.
No problem, sir. We shall see.
You want to die because of Ujunwa?
We shall see,
you want
Uncle.
to go to court because of Ujunwa?
No problem, Uncle.
Is she the only woman in this village?
I've heard you.
It's okay. It's okay.
Your mother, how do we solve the problem?
My love, you already know what to do. Come and get married to me and take me out of this place. It's not a problem at all.
Your mother is back.
Welcome, Mama. Mama, welcome.
Welcome, Mama.
Mama.
Welcome, Ma.
Mama, how was the market?
I don't think you need to worry. She didn't say anything to you.
She didn't say anything. Can you hear yourself? Enough reason for me to leave.
But you know how it is. I think you should stay back and kind of have a conversation with her.
I should have a conversation with your mother. Why?
Just...
No, wait, come on, wait.
Mama, what is this? What are you
Will
doing?
you shut up?
Mama, this is not fair now. This is not fair.
You're still talking. You're still opening your mouth. This is the last time. The last time I will see that idiot in this place. If you people want to do this nonsense, find somewhere else. And let me tell you, let me warn you, tell him I don't want to see his face around this area again. Because if I do...
Mama, this is my father's house though.
You're an idiot. You're an idiot. Rubbish. Oh, you're looking at me. You're looking at me up here? You come back here and meet me.
Is this how you did that my father married you? Ah.
My love, it is high time you started doing something. So first thing tomorrow morning, I'm going to give you some money to pay for the shop. Then after some time, I'll give you money to buy some goods so that you can start selling. Eh?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. But my love, can I suggest something?
Go ahead.
I would like for you to go with me to pay the rent of the shop, since you are not the man of the house.
That's not a problem. If it's going to make you happy, I'll do it. Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
You're back. You're back.
Good afternoon.
Now give me.
Mama, I don't know what this world is turning into. Mama, I don't know what this world is turning into. I just don't know. Mama, I lost my classmate this morning.
You lost your classmate. What happened to him?
Not him, but her.
Oh, she's a girl. What happened to her?
Mama, the girl in question got married under duress. Immediately after we finished our examination. Her father persuaded her in getting married to a man she doesn't even know, she don't love, nothing, because of money. Gosh. The man beats her up morning, afternoon, night, even with her pregnancy.
And the family, they don't know anything about that. They just kept quiet and left her there like that.
The man keeps giving them money to cover things up because you know the girl comes from a poor background.
So the family value money more than their children, more than their daughter. No, you mean the family value money more than their own child.
Mama, the girl in question is dead. She was beaten till she slumped and fell with her pregnancy. She gave up the ghost. She's dead.
God forbid. You mean they've lost their daughter?
Not just daughter. The man lost his only child. And the girl mom in question is also dead.
You see? You see? Have you not seen the importance of a mother? No, you are looking at me. Have you not seen the importance of a mother? Because I know if the mother is alive, she will never, over her dead body, she will never allow her daughter to marry somebody she does not know anything about.
No, but that's the same issue we are suffering here now.
What do you mean?
You keep pushing Uju to marry Obina. By fire, by force. Under duress, without duress. You keep pushing that girl. Persuading her to get married to Obina. But here you are. Hi, the mother will not do. The mother. Why not? Why are you not doing the same thing you're saying? The mother will not. The mother will not. But here, the mother will. The mother will.
Shut your dirty mouth up.
Shut up.
If you do not have anything to say, Sinirum pauses.
Mama, your intimidation will not stop me from saying my mind. Mama, cook beans fast. Make I chop. Cook plantain really right.
My daughter.
9.
You said your name is
Mercy.
Oh God, Mercy. And you said this money I'm holding here is mine and the drink.
Yes, 9.
Oh, that is very good. Hey, all this for me. Please, I want you to just repeat what you said concerning this money and the drink.
9. Like you know, Obina is asking Ujunwa hand in marriage. And the Ujunwa that I know can never get married to Obina because there is a reason. Yes.
What is the reason?
Ujunwa took an oath with a man called Echike. And they are in love. So Ujunwa can never, ever see or marry Obina, no matter what anybody say to her. Yes, 9. So 9. I came to meet you to help me talk to Obina. Yes, talk to him. Make him to marry me. Tell him that I'm a good girl. That I will make a good wife for him. You know, convince him. Talk to him about me. Because I really love Obina. I really want to be his wife. Nai, if you help me to do this thing, make him to marry me. And I promise you, Nai, I will place you on that salary. I will do things for you. I will make sure that you're okay. I will make sure that you are being taken care of. All I want you is to make Obina to marry me.
Let me get you very clear. Are you trying to tell me that you will place me on a monthly salary if I am able to convince Obina to marry you? Ekwa?
Yes, Nai.
My daughter, consider it done. But with the big bottle, make sure you do as we agree. Because agreement is an agreement.
Nai, I will keep to my promise. All I want you to do for me is convince Obina to marry me. Convince him to like, I'm a good girl. I will make a good wife for him. Now you know me now.
You don't have to bother yourself. It's okay. I will do just that. Bam. But just do your own part. You
don't have a problem, Nai.
I don't understand. No wahala. You don't have any wahala. No problem.
Thank you, Nai. Yeah. Thank you.
You can see now. All thanks to you.
All thanks to me?
Yeah.
I don't understand. How? Did I do anything for you?
Don't worry. Let me talk to Uju first. Uju, I apologize for my bad behaviors in the past. I'm now a better person. All thanks to AGK here.
I don't understand. What do you mean all thanks to me? Did I do anything for you? I didn't give you money. I can't remember giving you money.
AGK, your advice, your encouragement made me a better person. And I'm so grateful for that. I would have still been at the village, raping and doing all sorts of things, but look at me today. I'm now rich. All thanks to you.
You're no longer a rapist.
No, I'm not. You can see me. Just give me a minute, okay?